you, babe. If it ain't love, why does it feel so good? Why does it feel so good?
Hello, how are you? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending with wherever you are in your part of the world. Yes, it's me again, George.murevesi here. Thank you for coming onto my channel. Thank you for taking time to walk this journey with me if you are a regular visitor and follower of my channel. Well, the journey continues with SportArb, which is proving to be a really good investment opportunity that I've made and which I am working with this year. Sports arbitrage investment pool, otherwise known as SportArb, is an investment pool created by Andres Martin and Ronald Wald, two experienced traders with over 3 years of experience in betting markets, and they are ready to expand their business to a wider community. It's great to be part of that community. I've just joined this 11 days ago. Here below they give an example of what they do, how they make the money. So this is a solid business with a proper, robust model behind it. Some of the features of SportArb are: principal is retained at the end of the investment. So if you start with 1 Bitcoin like I did, I'll get my 1 Bitcoin back on the end of my investment, which is 60 days. Should I want that before 60 days, they will charge or withdraw, they will charge me 25%. They will take 25% off my principal. So if I start with 1,000 and then I decide tomorrow or the day after or any time before the maturity, they will take 250 and give me back 750. But remember, I would have earned something along the way, so I'll get that because that would not be the principal. Anyways, they allow payments, or they offer payments through multiple systems like Bitcoin, Advocash, Perfect Money, Payee, or KPay. They offer automatic deposits. I'll show you a withdrawal today, because they also have no fees on deposits and withdrawals. I'll do a live withdrawal. I'm currently compounding. It would have been nice to reinvest my kind of the money that I got from commissions recently, but I'm just gonna take it out of the system. So in terms of the packages that they have about 9 plans. They've got the beginner's plan for those who want to start small, like $25 to $499. With this plan, you are entitled to 60% of their daily profits. Just to give you an indication of their daily profits, ever since I joined on the first day, they got 2.33%, and I was entitled to 70% of that. So I got 1.63, and the next day they got 2.45 profit, 2.16, 2.44, 1.98, 2.17, 2.27, 2.4, 2.63, 2.49. So it is safe to say they are consistently generating profits of 2% daily. Not very high for those who are chasing the big profits, like those guys who want the 3%, the 4% daily. This is not your kind of thing if that's what you're looking for, but therein lies the strength of SportArb. The fact that it's paying about 2% daily, to me, it shows that it's got a proper profit generating business model. It's not really a Ponzi which is there to attract you with high returns, and then you get in and then before you have your money back, it collapses. Well, this might not last forever, but from the look of things, with the elaborate work put into this website, I can see that this is here to stay for a while. Anyways, other than the beginners, you've got the starter pack, which you can invest from 500 to 999. You're entitled to 65% of the profits. There is the basic package, highlighted there because that's the package which I am on. I invested 1 Bitcoin, so it's between 1,000 and 2,499. I'm getting 70% of the daily profits. Then you've got the advanced, the expert. The rate they go up and up, and should you be interested, you can always check these out on their website, or when you've signed up with your sponsor, you can go to the back office and just familiarize yourself with things. Should you want to sign up with me, it's okay, I'll leave my link below. But if somebody told you about this opportunity, go back to that person and get their signing up link from them. Now, this company here, as they say, their main source of income is from sports arbitrage trading. They've achieved an average net profit of 9 to 10% per week, with a turnover of $170,000 in their first week of that's the average, that what they're making on a week to week basis, 9 to 10% per week, and a turnover of $170,000 per week. That's a lot, guys. Given that this is just starting, it's still in its infancy, it will gradually grow, it will pick up momentum, and come on, grow with it, guys. There is various languages you can join in. For example, if you are Spanish, come here, join, and then click here, and then there you go, Spanish. You can read and understand what they say in your own language. I think there's also Portuguese there. Yeah, that's Portuguese, but I'll take it back to English. The other thing now, if you are one of those big guys in terms of recruiting, marketing, they're also looking for some leaders. So these are some of the leaders who have been put in the countries as top representatives. So you can sort of like contact one of these should you want them to, if you want to join under these leaders. I joined under this guy. I personally know this guy. He's a great guy and kind of a friend of mine. Showed me this opportunity, and it's proving to be great for me. So should you want to be a representative, you can also sign up as a representative here, and it gives you more in terms of the commissions that you'll be entitled to, and you'll be giving support to people who inquire about SportArb. Like here, live support. There's somebody who is ready to support me if I ask things. So I guess those are some of the duties that you do if you go on the representative program. But for now, I am just an ordinary investor in this. I'm not entitled to all of these. Like you can just join in as an investor, and you can enjoy some of the great things that this company has to offer. Now, in terms of what this company has done for me in the past 11 days, my return on my investment has been 16.70 in 11 days. That is phenomenal. Not only that, I got a bit of commissions, reinvested them. So in actual fact, my Bitcoin has not gone up by 16.7%, but it has gone up by 18%. As you can see here, my running capital is now 1.1802, and a long string of numbers there. It's just 1.8 appreciation, or 18% appreciation in my Bitcoin, which is really good given the state of the Bitcoin at the moment, although it fluctuates at times, but it's really something that is always on the upward trend in the short to in the medium to long term. 6 months from now, Bitcoin will be a lot higher than what it is at the moment. So those are my results. And one more thing that I want to show you before I go, I want to show you how easy it is to withdraw from this system. So you just go to finance at the top there, and then you click on withdraw funds, and then I'm gonna withdraw 0.2103500, and that will be through Bitcoin, and then I'm not gonna be charged anything, and then that's just been rounded off to 201.35. Let's see how much that is in today's US dollars, how much it is my withdrawal. So that's BTC to USD. My Bitcoin there, pop it in there. So what I'm withdrawing at the moment is $237.99, which is a lot of money. I'm excited about it, and yeah, that's how it is. I'm taking it out just now. Request my withdrawal. See if it goes through. This loading request. Alright. No, it's saying I should set a withdrawal pin. Sorry about that. I had done another withdrawal before, so I thought it's just gonna be like that. Okay, so let me make the withdrawal now. I've done withdrawals before, but I think because I've done so many withdrawals, it's now requiring that kind of level of security. Anyway, this is what I will withdraw. Right, and then it requires my PIN, and I request it. So if I go back, you can see that it's now gone. It's just left with this wee bit. It didn't come out. My withdrawal is now been made, and very soon it should be in my so here you can see request sent. That's the one. Yes guys, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. If you join this and you want more information, you can seek support from live support. You click at the bottom there, or you can request a call back here from the team, and they'll call you. And yeah, that's how it is. If you want to deposit, you simply go on finance, click on deposit funds, and you select there the Bitcoin or whatever system that you would have set up, because during your setup you put the payment method which you will use. So that's the one that you would be using when you are making some withdrawals. Anyways, thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy investing. George, I'm out.